All right, what's up, everybody? It is October 7th, and we are back with live trading today. So, there is no news today. It's a Monday, so obviously, going to keep that in mind. The goal is not to find trade setups, it's to learn to read price action. And if we find some setups, I'm going to obviously take them and let you guys know. But something I want to work on myself too is just set the expectation that we're here to watch price. We're not here to press buttons unless it's A plus. Okay, so we're gonna see what today gives us, and yeah, I'm excited. I've got a stack of new Apex account or not Apex Top Step accounts that I will start trading. The idea is I'm just going to copy trade these accounts and, ideally one trade a day with NQ. All I need is 450 a day, and I should be good um, to pass the challenge in a month. So, all right, we're watching the market open. I'm going to shut up now and let's just see what today brings us. All right. I did a weekly outlook already of some things I would expect to happen. This is very interesting right here. Obviously, um, it is. I mean, yeah, like you could enter on stuff like this, but I just hate trading the open. I like this signature and price, but I don't just buy right here. I mean, let's look at where we are, and I'm gonna fix this up a little bit. Looks like it's just gonna could be an area for rejection. We didn't even close above. We took out this previous high. Um, it's definitely interesting. Very interesting. I wonder if we can see where we're at here. So we can see we're really just this is the area to try to kind of break out of um to give us a more bullish structure. It's not happening though. No trades yet. Obviously this wasn't a real inverse because we never closed above the fair value gap. You see that? Um so nothing yet. I mean, obviously, it looks like we're heading down. Maybe there's a move. If we can, I mean, honestly, if we can create a fair value gap right here, it's worth taking a chance at going short for me. This wouldn't be, it wouldn't be perfect. Um, but yeah, we're just gonna sit around. I mean, look, at the end of the day, we don't even have to take a trade. Now that we closed down here, I would definitely anticipate more downside. There it comes. Probably gonna take out this low at 20,102. Hang on. Need to go live with my Discord. One sec. All right. All right. Still nothing for me yet. Obviously, we've got this fair value gap here to the upside, and it looks like we respected that and we want to move up. Let's just do a little bit of digging and figure out the draw on liquidity here. I mean, this definitely I probably should have already noticed. Looks we swept it. Interesting. Very interesting. Yes, we swept yesterday's high and now we're making our way down. Very interesting. Now, as far as right here goes, on the 15-minute, ideally, if we're bearish, we could just turn around right now. But next area on watch will be this fair value gap left open right here. Let's zoom into the 5 minute, see how it looks. 1 minute looks like shit, by the way. This is not like if you made money in this price action, that's awesome. But like this is not good price action. Like what we just went 25 points back and forth. I mean, it looks ridiculous. So look, this is kind of our opening price right now. Nothing's screaming at me right now. And that's okay. All right, there it goes to the upside. Oh, what are we gonna do right here? I think these are like relative equal highs over here. This is if I'd saw this earlier, I'd have been a little more interested. I guess hindsight's always gonna be 2020, right? You've got the fair value gap down here. This would have been the setup. But I don't know, man. Like when like you see how much it wicked through, are you really are you really disappointed that you didn't take that? Because I mean, uh this is quite a wick. I mean, that's quite a serious wick. I would have faked anybody out. And if you're on like a funded account, you can't even hold that type of heat. So I mean, yeah, that's gonna take that out for sure. Damn. Yeah, so we still are leaving those equal highs up here. Definitely definitely a good sign. There's no trade though. I mean, like this is disgusting. I don't want to risk my account on this PA. Really, really don't. I mean, look, I see what we're doing. We're chopping around over here. I would still expect us to gravitate towards these equal highs eventually, but I mean, like, what are you gonna do? You're gonna take this 5 minute fair value gap and you're gonna bounce it a second time? Like, it's not for me. Um, a nice trade could have been if we swept this. If we swept this level, maybe we could find something to the downside. Keep in mind, guys, CPI is on Thursday, I believe. So I was telling my homies, like, I wouldn't be surprised if the couple days leading up to that, all we do is generate liquidity, leave equal highs and stuff like that, and just chop around. Um, so, you know, no need to force anything today. Yes, so we're coming back to this 5 minute fair value gap. Um, I won't be surprised if we bounce from here, but obviously I'm not taking it myself. Too messy. All right, it looks pretty heavy. I wouldn't be surprised if we take out these lows. But just watch, cause like we're when I said we could bounce from here, the 5 minute fair value gap with this price action, we might get a 1 minute closure below, and then the next 1 minute if we close like right here, It's still a bullish structure. Nice bearish close. Still no trade. I mean, I can't act like I'm surprised that we're rating all of this. Like if we would rate all of this, that wouldn't um it's not out of the realm of possibility. I just would have rather us taken out these highs first. So we'll see what happens. It might not be a day for me to put on a trade. And if you look at the 4 hour, we basically close. I'll pull it up for you guys. If I can. Okay. So if we look at the 4 hour, we've got this big fair value gap right here, and we basically close below it, meaning that these highs are all respected. I mean, we could go back down here into this weekly fair value gap and then chop. We might not even take out these lows. And then when we get to CPI in a couple days, obviously this could happen today. I don't know. But if we get to CPI and we leave one high, two high, three high, four high, five, and you leave like relative equal highs, you've got all these people who are shorting in profit, and we can play around for a couple days, and then whenever that news drops, take them all out without giving them a chance to close their position. I mean, that's how I see this week. It's definitely possible, but to not get too far ahead of ourselves, we'll zoom in. Because obviously, in the perfect world, we just get more of the stuff today, and we just find some trades and bang it. All right, so we've got this fair value gap right here. Would I take it though? No, honestly, I'll take it if we inverse. I'll take it if we inverse. If we close above, I'll go long. I think that's a valid enough trade. To target those equal highs. So if we close above, I'm getting in 6 seconds to do that. Nope. We're rejecting that original fair value gap. Okay, here it comes. Be ready. All right, this looks good. I would get in. All right, this setup probably isn't going to be valid. We didn't close above, so now we could make our way back, but ah, All right. Very slow price action. I mean, it's not what we love to see. Now we're getting it. Just watch carefully. So I'm already in this. Let me draw this though. All right, we didn't get that closure we really want to see. I mean, I'm gonna have to stop out. I'll probably stop out under this wick right here. So I'm sorry, I'll correct that. All right, we didn't breach that wick. We came to it, but we didn't breach it. Very well. Yep, I'm out now. Yeah, so gift and a curse. I meant to take these on all of my accounts. Um, and it only I that's why I hate copy trading. I put on 5 contracts to be on 5 accounts and it did it all on one. Okay, we're finally respecting. That's ridiculous. Now, if you want to re-enter this same thing, you need that close above the fair value gap, and it really didn't do that. As far as downside, I mean, we could take out the lows, like low of day 2058. Certainly not impossible. Okay, so now what we've got is you've got this inverse fair value gap if you want to take the retest and go short. So this time, attaching the group accounts. I'm going to try it. I'm going to test it. I wish I knew how to turn off that order filled sound. It's so annoying. Okay, now where are we going to target though? Honestly, right here, 2095. So, look, there it is. All right, well, I'm about to have to close this trade on the other screen. So funny. All right. Oh, yeah. Hey, cashed out, cashed out. Beautiful. Beautiful. All my orders getting filled. Let me I'm trading like a few accounts, so that's why it is a bit harder to share this screen. All right, nice. Beautiful trade. Look, sometimes you're gonna be wrong. We tried to go long. That wasn't the move. We saw short, we went short, and we profited. Now, what I am sad about is just the fact that a couple of my accounts really got fucked up. like with that. I think maybe just one. So I made like 900 on each account, but then that first loss, instead of being a loss on one contract, it was a lot. It put 5 contracts on that one. So that's pretty crazy. But all right, that's all I got for you guys. We're gonna get off stream. We caught a banger. If you guys caught that with me, then no need to continue trading. I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll do this again soon. Peace. I should do my outro though.